Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Figma plugin not working issues in 2026. If your plugins are not loading, failing to install, or not responding inside Figma, this guide will help you fix the problem step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Most Figma plugins require an active connection to load and function properly. Next, refresh Figma or restart the desktop application. Temporary glitches can often prevent plugins from working correctly. Now make sure you are signed in to the correct Figma account. Some plugins may not work properly if you are in the wrong workspace or team. Next, check whether the plugin is still supported and updated. Outdated plugins may stop working after Figma updates. Now try reinstalling the plugin from the Figma community. Removing and adding it again can fix corrupted plugin data. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies if you're using Figma in a web browser. Old cached data can interfere with plugin loading. Now try running the plugin in a different file to see if the issue is file-specific. Next, disable VPN services, proxy settings, or browser extensions that may block external plugin resources. If you're using the desktop app, make sure it is updated to the latest version for better plugin compatibility. Finally, restart your device and try launching the plugin again to refresh all system processes. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Figma plugin not working issues. Your plugins should now load and run properly inside Figma. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.